Hey guys, what's going on? So we got this Fat Pack box over here, complete 12 packs per box, 35 cards per pack. So we're gonna go ahead and open up 6 of these packs. So let's just take out 2, 4, 6. Put this away for next time. And let's see what we got in these. Not exactly sure what to be looking for in here. Get some rookies. And rookies and just all-star players. That's really the best we could hope for. This is 2016-17. Let's see what we get here. Gerald Henderson, Nikola Mirotic, Tony Rotten, Marcus Smart, Jeremy Grant. Didn't know he was on the Sixers. So, what year did he come in? So that was his second year. He's a rookie in 15. Iman Shumpert, Jabari Parker, James Johnson, Boris Diaw, Alfred Payton. I don't know if it's going to say on here whether he was also a rookie in 15. Willie Cauley-Stein. Chris Bosh making an appearance. Kristaps Porzingis, also a rookie in 15. A lot of second-year guys here throwing me off. Dante Cunningham, Bojan Bogdanovic, Contavious Caldwell-Pope, Patrick Patterson, Kenneth Faried, Al Jefferson, Sam Decker, Otto Porter, Ricky Rubio, Patty Mills, Evan Turner, Sheldon McClellan, Tyus Jones. Here we got a rookie, so they do make it more distinct. Jacob Podol. And we got another special card here. It's Chris Bosh. Away. I don't know. I guess he's on the road. Has his jersey in the back. Jersey card. Okay. Thon Maker rookie. Austin Rivers. Brandon Ingram rookie. Okay. I like that. Joel Balamboy. Jonas Valanciunas. Mitch McGrary. Pack number 2. Jimmy Butler, star player. Vince Carter, all-time player. J.R. Smith on the all-time three-point list, probably in the top 10. Sean Holmes, Wade Baldwin, Rashad Vaughn, Brandon Bass, Anthony Brown, Kemba Walker, balling out this year. Marcus Cousins, Wayne Ellington, Lance Thomas, Michael Kidd-Gilchrist, DJ Augustine, Drew Holiday, Norman Powell, Georges Niang, rookie, James Harden. I'd like to see that nice Clutch City jersey shirt situation. Alonzo G. Karis LeVert, rookie. He was balling out for the Nets this year until he got injured. Tobias Harris, Mason Plumlee, Tyler Ulis, rookie. Anderson Varejao, Kyle Singler, Montrezl Harrell, Kawhi Leonard, CJ McCollum, Carmelo Anthony, retired or something, I don't know, he's not playing. Jarrell Martin, D'Angelo Russell, Lavoy Allen, Solomon Hill, Jordan Hill, and Danny Green. Miles Plumlee, Isaiah Thomas, Nerlens Noel, Tony Allen, Dwayne Wade on the Chicago Bulls. Tim Hardaway Jr., Jordan McRae, Goran Dragic, Derrick Rose holding up his Knicks jersey, Frank Kaminsky, rookie Ivica Zubac, Gordon Hayward, Dirk Nowitzki. A lot of star players in this pack. Skal Absirir, rookie. Jacob Podol, rookie again. It's a duplicate. CJ Miles, Eric Gordon, 6th Man of the Year winner one time. Langston Galloway, Sean Kilpatrick, Michael Ganubi, Gary Harris, PJ Tucker, Zach LaVine, David Lee, Damian Lillard, Brandon Knight, James Michael McAdoo, Cameron Payne, Thon Maker. I think I got a rookie of him earlier. This doesn't say rookie, but it is. Usually it says that it is, but it is. Jordan McKee, Josh McRoberts, Boban Marjanovic, Jamal Murray, rookie, I like that one, Jared Dudley, Kevon Looney. Jamal Crawford, Mirza Teletovic, Spencer Dinwiddie, Chris Humphries, for ex Kim Kardashian once upon a time, Avery Bradley, Anthony Barber, Blake Griffin just balling out on the Pistons this year, Sasha Vujacic, former champion with the Lakers, Jeremy Lamb, Bismack Biyombo, Rodney Hood, Andrew Bogut, Georgios Papagiannis, Josh Richardson, Lance Stevenson, Reggie Jackson, Jeremy Lin, Nikola Jokic, Pascal Siakam, rookie, nice, Jeff Teague, Seth Curry, Pablo Prigioni, Pat Connaughton, Klay Thompson, Domantas Sabonis, rookie. I've been getting a few of those. I like that. John Wall, Shabazz Muhammad, Tony Parker, Marquise Chris. Looks like it's probably a rookie. It sure is. 8th pick in that draft. Chris Paul, Jerian Grant, Kyle O'Quinn, Spencer Hawes, Damari Carroll, and Ian Mahinmi. 2 more packs, peoples. Jordan Adams, Denzel Valentine, rookie, DeAndre Membry, rookie, James Jones, a.k.a. the guy that carried LeBron James to championships, Paul Pierce. Paul Pierce, a big rival of LeBron James back in the day, Doug McDermott, Zach Randolph, Lou Williams, a 4th quarter scoring machine, Rudy Gobert, Steven Zimmerman, rookie, whoever the hell that is, Rudy Gay, Timofey Mozgov, Alec Burks, Jody Meeks, Tyreek Evans, Rondé Hollis-Jefferson, rookie Henry Ellenson, Michael Beasley, Omar Asik, Anthony Bennett, for one-time first pick of the draft, biggest bust probably in history, Reggie Bullock, Olivio Jean-Charles, Myers Leonard, I like his game, Archie Goodwin, Patrick McCall, rookie, kind of a cool dunk he's doing in that card. Victor Oladipo on the Magic. Kelly Oubre Jr. Karl Anthony Towns. Got another jersey card. Mike Conley. Paul Millsap. It's not jersey like threads or anything, but got the picture of the jersey. Joe Young, Dwight Powell, Andrew Nicholson, and Andrew Wiggins. Last pack for this video. Please get a good rookie. Looking for Ben Simmons, that would be nice. Tony Snell, Dwight Howard on the Atlanta Hawks, Ben Bentil, rookie, TJ McConnell, Raymond Felton, Brandon Wright, Tristan Thompson, George Hill, Harrison Barnes, Ben McLemore, Tyler Johnson, Justin Holiday, Nikola Vucevic, Darren Collison, Juan Hernangomez, rookie, Terrence Ross, Rodney Stuckey, Justin Anderson, Trevor Booker, Andre Drummond, All-Star player, Danilo Gallinari, Alex Len, Zaza Pachulia, Andre Robertson, Jason Smith, Brandon Rush, DeJounte Murray, rookie. Spurs really miss him. Noah Vonleh, here we go, special card. Oh, it's a LeBron James jersey card. All right, number 13, take that. And another LeBron card. Hello, Ben Simmons rookie card. Wow, so I got 2 LeBrons in a row and then a Simmons rookie. Sweet. Actually, you know what? Let me check out the back of that card real quick. Oop. All right, pretty basic. I'll read it later. Derek Favors, C.J. Watson, Chris Nicola, Jake Layman, rookie. All right, I loved how that pack went at the end. And in general, we got some pretty good stuff, and that's only half of that box. Open up the other half, a different video. Thanks for stopping by, guys. Take care.